Hello everybody. I am I'm a bit emotional right now because this has been a very long time coming. As you guys know, I've been saving up for a brand new video card. Um and unfortunately, it's not the video card that I wanted, but it's plenty enough for me to get a lot of production work done, mostly, you know, pertaining to live streaming and doing content in high quality again. I know you guys had to put up with 720p for like the last month since my computer blew up, but anyway, my box has arrived. Well, man, the light's too strong. Um by the way, I'm using the Sony ZV-1 camera, and unfortunately it's this is the farthest the camera's too close, and it's on a tripod, and I can't zoom out any further than this, so the you know the angle is weird. So let's go ahead and unbox. This is from all of you guys, from all of the Twitch subscribers, all of the Patreon subscribers, as well as the, I don't have a box cutter, so I'm using a scissors. Everybody who's supported me financially, basically, over the last year or so. This is basically your guys' gift to me. I told you guys, uh, it's happening. It's happening real soon. And yes, here it is. And oh wow. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. So we got this is sleeve extension cable, right? This is for power supply. It's white extension cables. As you guys know, I'm building a brand new computer piece by piece. This is actually going to go in the current computer because two things blew up in my computer. My my graphics card and my power supply. So I'm using my 2014 Dell right now. This, I can't use it on the new computer yet, so I'm going to be purchasing a power supply next. But this was the emergency thing that you guys were going to help me get right here. Let me take it out of the box first. Ta-da! This is the Power Color 9060 XT. Now, I wanted to get the 9070 XT. As of this recording, it is Sunday, November 23rd. And yeah, Black Friday is actually in 5 days from now, 5.5 days from now. As of this recording, I could not wait because the prices are going up. AI is driving the prices of not just computer memory RAM, not just storage, but now video cards are going up because of the RAM shortage. So let's see. Let's take a quick look at this. Let me see, is there any tape? Is this taped? No, it's not taped. Okay. So I don't really want to take it out of the box just yet because I don't have my power supply. I haven't ordered it yet, but basically it's these. It's just white extension cables. That go into the power supply, right? So if you guys want to know what a power supply in the computer looks like. So this is the power supply, not the one that blew up, but this is the one that's in my 2014 Dell right now, right? So the cables will go in there, but this will be connected to the cables here because I have a white computer case and I don't want black cables showing. So the two of these cables will actually connect to this video card, basically. Again, this is entirely funded by you guys, all of my subscribers, all of my Patreon subscribers, Twitch subscribers. Oh yeah, it also has cable sleeves here so that they don't get tangled. And put these away now. These were fairly cheap because it is a Black Friday sale. These cable extensions are from a brand called Okinos. This is the third time I bought something from them. These are usually $19 or $20 USD, but I got these for $13. Well, $12.99, $13. It was $6 off for the Black Friday sale. Again, thank you guys so much. You guys got this for me. All right, now the creme de la creme. Now, yes, it is the 16 gigs. This is the first 16 gigabyte GPU that I've ever gotten. Okay. Man, I'm tearing up. I'm dude, you guys have no idea. All the money that I make from my content is going right back into my content for sure, ensuring that I have a better quality. Which side do I want to open up? Is there an actual? No, let's just go with this side. And give me a second. All right. Ooh, emotional damage. All right. So, real quick before we open this sucker up, so I originally wanted to get the 9070 XT, the 9070 XT. Unfortunately, I didn't want to wait because the prices of the video cards were starting to go up little by little. I'm pretty sure that during Black Friday and Cyber Monday that the prices will go down for like 24 hours, but I didn't want to wait anymore. I didn't want to chance it because I wanted to buy DDR5 RAM for the PC upgrade next year in 2026. You know, the GTA 6 ready machine. That's the project that's next, by the way. But I didn't want to risk the prices going up, so I bought this. This one was $400 because it's the white video card. There's a $100 price premium for white graphics cards or white PC components. I don't know why they do that. It's just white paint. But I digress. It's annoying. But yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh man, I had it upside down. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Oh, right. Okay. Oh, there it is. Yo. Yo. So I got this one in particular because our color MMO. Oh, nice. I got discount off of this mouse and headset if I want to buy it. All right. Is there anything under here? Wow, there's nothing. Wow, they actually There's usually a whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, I don't want to take it out of the package just yet because, like I said, I haven't bought the power supply, so I can't actually fit this because I have a mini ITX computer case. So if you guys see this thing is 11.5 inches long, and my case comes out right here at 10.5 inches. So just that much. This graphics card is longer than my case by that much. So yeah. I have to get a new case. I have to get a bigger case, and I have to get a new power supply that'll run this. But yeah, so this is the Power Color 9060 XT, and I got this not because it's you know, a white GPU, but I don't know if you guys can tell, but the radiator fins is also painted white, and the back plate where you see the HDMI and the DisplayPort cables, this is also painted white. Everything is painted white. So yeah, I am so stoked. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna actually have to look on Amazon and check some prices on power supplies. I'm actually gonna wait till Friday to purchase that. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody. That's actually, I'm gonna have to pack this away after. I want to say thank you to, oh my god, my eyes. I'm getting emotional, crying. This was pretty much an emergency thing. What was supposed to be a donation goal that we started this past April for a new graphics card. As you guys remember, at the beginning of October, my computer blew up during a thunderstorm due to a power surge. So the graphics card goal turned into a brand new PC fund. But like I said, unfortunately, all of the AI companies are buying up all the RAM for computers, and it's driving up the prices of everything, and I cannot, it's very disappointing that I can't buy the parts that I need right now due to budget limitations, but this will be able to cover me for easily the foreseeable future. I'll be able to live stream in 1080p again, 1440p even, and maybe even 4K. I'll be able to record in 4K. This is the first graphics card that actually has AI features, believe it or not. Yeah, I'll be able to do some AI rendering and stuff like that with this graphics card. So I can't wait to do that. And the reason why I went with this card, because this was the cheapest white video card in the price range that I was going to go for. The NVIDIA 5070 12 gigabyte card was just $150 more than this. The white one. And I was like, no, even though I favor NVIDIA, this is my first AMD Radeon GPU since 2016. Ever since then, I had 3 NVIDIA cards after that. All of them broke already. This is replacing my RTX 2070 that blew up. And yeah, so at least we got this. This is going to carry over into the brand new machine, which I'm going to be funding. That's the next project. Okay, I got plans. But this will eventually be replaced by another graphics card in the future. Maybe the Radeon RX 10070 or whatever the version that comes up after this, or an RTX 670 Ti or 6070 Ti or whatever. Anyway, I just want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Hit the like, thumbs up on this. If you guys want to help out with the rest of the computer upgrades or whatever, in the link down below, right below this video, you guys are going to see my PayPal and my Twitch. If you guys want to subscribe on Twitch, follow me on Kick. I'm trying to get the requirements to unlock subscribership on Kick. So again, Twitch and Kick links are right down below this video. I'm trying to fight back the tears because I'm happy that you guys really rushed out. We were able to raise $500 in a span of just a couple of months, especially the last 6 weeks. I had some very, very generous subscribers, very generous. Shout out to Kono's Crimson Fox, who donated a total of $290 across the last several weeks. Let me see. There are people that don't want their real names to be read out because people who subscribe to me on Patreon or donated through PayPal, I can see their real name, but they left a message for me giving me their username and stuff. So Felipe 000369, thank you very, very much. Shout out to you, from the Philippines. Also from the Philippines, Felipe. Thank you so much for your generosity. These two guys donated $50 USD. They're from the Philippines, but they were born in America. By the way, Salamat, thank you guys. This is me giving you guys a thumbs up. Sorry, the camera's upside down. Thumbs up to you guys. I really appreciate it. You guys have been leaving me some nice comments on my Filipino pop music videos, and then a whole bunch of people that is too long a list. You guys donated $1, $2, $3, $5. I really appreciate it. But a special shout out to the sugar daddies that helped me get this before the prices went up of AI. I don't know what I would do without you guys. So anyway, I'm gonna go wipe my eyes, and yeah, I'm gonna go and order a power supply and a case, a big white fish tank looking case. So yeah, the journey begins, guys. The journey begins. And I might even need a new monitor as well. Anyway, I'm gonna be able to play some AAA video games with you guys. It's been a couple of months, but I can game. I will see you guys. What is that new Chinese MMO right now that's got like over 300,000 people playing? Where Winds Meet? Where Winds Meet? Meet me on Discord. Voice chat. Let's make a guild. Mahalo. Thank you guys so much again. I'll see you guys next time.